our first 3 members of Kitchen Squad, which was Michael R., Draw It with Alan, and Jamela. So anyway, if you would like to be featured next week as our Kitchen Squad, be one of the first 3 people to subscribe and comment down below Kitchen Squad. But anyway, today we are going to be making some pineapple salsa tacos, so let's get into the video. Now let's talk about the ingredients we will need. The main ingredient is a pineapple and 1 yellow onion, 2 jalapenos, the juice of 1 lime, and possibly the deadliest ingredient we're going to need are these. These are habanero peppers. They are quite spicy peppers. I love heat, so I prefer to keep them in, but if you do not like spice, you can totally omit them. Your tacos will still be delicious. 1 pound of ground beef, and finally, some crunchy taco shells, but if you like soft tacos, you can of course use tortillas! It's actually tortillas. We have cut off all of our fruits and vegetables, so now we need to transfer this into a bowl. Alright, now we need a mix to combine. You can just mix it up with a spoon and yeah, get it all combined. And finally we add our lemon juice and salt to taste. Alright, now let's see how the salsa tastes. A little spicy, but I really like it, so I'll start making the rest of the tacos. Alright, now we need to prepare our taco shells. So preheat an oven and put these in. And you can also do this with your tortillas. Once again, it's actually tortillas. Alright, now let's start making the beef for our tacos. We have our beef, and we have water, and our taco seasoning, which is cumin, salt, smoked paprika, and chili powder. So first add our water and our taco seasoning. And we need to turn it on. We need to start to assemble our tacos. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad. I like tacos, da 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 da. Alright, to serve with our tacos, we have sour cream and cheese. So a little tip, put some sour cream into your plastic bag, and then you can cut off the tip and use it as a little piping bag to pipe on your tacos. Now that our shell's ready, let's put together the tacos. Feliz Navidad. Alright, let's see how the tacos taste. These tacos are really good, so I hope this video has encouraged you to try them at home. So tune in next week on Ashlee in the Kitchen, see what else we're making. And remember, the first 3 people to subscribe and comment down below, hashtag Kitchen Squad. Once again, we'll get a shout out in the next video. Bye! Hi, I'm Ashlee from Ashlee in the Kitchen. Today in this episode, I said tortilla as a joke, but please do not tell your Spanish teacher that it is pronounced tortilla. She will give you an F- in every single category.